guys. What is it?
$4,000.
$4,000? Yes, it was a long visit, guys. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and turn on your post notification bell button. Look at this long ass receipt for all the stuff we bought. Everything is on the floor right now. That's enough, girl. So everything is on please. Everything is on the floor right now. You guys going to help me organize everything, put everything away. Some of them going in the freezer, some of them going in the pantry, some of them going in the fridge. Let's do this with me, guys. Let's do it together. So everything is on the floor now. We're just going to put them in the fridge and in the freezer and in the pantry. Let's do it. Bring me that. OU. So we're gonna do the frozen stuff first. We don't wanna leave. Can you close the fridge? We don't wanna leave them out too long. Let's do the frozen stuff first. We have some Oreo ice cream. Give me the corn dog, please.
Okay.
Oreo corn dogs. Can you carry both of them, please?
I'll just give you one by one. I'm saying give you one by one.
Pizza. We're gonna do all the frozen stuff.
Oh my God!
Really, nigga?
Oh, it's a mistake. It's okay. It's a mistake. The bag just ripped. Yes. Give me that, AJ. Fast, please, fast. All the frozen stuff. You have the chicken nuggets. The chicken nuggets can go in the bottom. But this is not frozen. We want to put all the frozen stuff first. Go get some towel there so you can clean it, please.
Me?
Get a towel, give it to Flea. Open that drawer there.
This?
Yes, the drawer is AJ, the drawer. Yes, open it. Open it. Okay, get that towel.
This?
The towel. Give it to Flea.
Flay, you me.
Alright, so let's do this. All the frozen stuff. We have some spinach. Oh yeah, this mixed vegetables. All the bags can go in together. The spinach. All the spinach can go together too. We're gonna organize the kitchen here. The hot dog, yeah, we have two. One gonna go in the fridge and the other one going in the freezer. What else? Do we have any other frozen stuff? Oh yeah, the sausage. All the bad stuff can go together too. Yeah, one of them going in the fridge. Because we already have, two. And what else do we have? What, no more frozen stuff? Oh my God, no more frozen?
Yeah.
Okay.
More.
We'll put it. Hey, Flynn just dropped something, guys. Oh, there's a bag there. Go get it. The Bravo bag. The white bag. Fast. I want to finish this fast. Oh, please. Yeah, we're trying to do this fast, guys. Put everything away as fast as we can. Don't we have one in the freezer already? Leave this for the fridge. So, all right, give me that. Give me the stuff for the fridge now.
The fridge?
Mm-hmm. sausage?
The sausage.
It's finished? Put it there.
I don't know guys. I just love it.
What is it?
I'm just actually on this body.
You just already?
Yes.
Okay. Hot dogs going in. Hot dog and sausage, we put them together. The one that goes in the fridge. And now we're gonna do juices. Can you get that juice flavor? And give me them juice first. Give me them juice first. Dad, please, you don't have to carry them at once. Get more, get more. I want to finish this fast. Leave it in the sink. Thank you.
Not more. Not more.
Open that box down there.
Okay. Put it in it. Better than that. And that's it. Flavor.
All this going in the pantry.
Now the pantry stuff.
Go, pull that thing. Bring it over here. Let me see what else do we have there.
Me?
Bring all them bags over there, please. Yes, bring them. All right, all the vegetables going together. All the vegetables going together. We have green peppers here.
Yeah, blue pepper. Look
And
at that
red peppers.
Oh my god. Oh,
I
that's
think
it.
all this going in the pantry.
Yeah, me too. Oh, Grace cleaning the
I
bouncer.
have hot peppers.
Woo, I like spicy, guys.
Uh-huh.
I like
All this going
spicy.
together.
I'm everything spicy.
Mhm. So
But
let's go to the pantry now. Let's go to the pantry.
thank you for my snack.
And we're in the pantry now, guys. What happened is I already fixing the stuff and then I didn't start the video. So I put this there, the oranges and the soups are going up there.
Can we go to the pantry?
Where is it?
Can we just go to the pantry? Pantry?
Yes, pantry.
Soup? Soup with the butter? I love it.
With the cereals. The cereals are together. Yeah, I was saying this oil. I cook olive oil, but when I'm frying chicken or frying other things, I don't want to use my olive oil to fry stuff. So what I do, I just buy this little one if I want to fry something. And my rice going in this. My rice going in there. Your girl is Haitian, so
Oh, we got to buy cheese.
cheese.
No, cheese.
So what I do, I just open it. I just open the bags.
We got to buy
I don't just leave it in the bag. That's mine. I don't just leave it in the bag. Flay. Never mind.
We forgot to buy more cheese bars. What?
I just open the bag and then pour it in the thing. I don't just leave it in the bag.
Hold on.
Yep. So we refill it now. And whenever I want some, I just take it out. with this bowl. They're really good now. With rice. Alright.
Let me just go to the scale, please.
Yes. And beans. Spaghetti.
No,
Can you put that chilies? Thing there.
Very spicy.
Put them bags away. Nothing else for the pantry.
Guys, chili
Take
is
it.
spicy.
Can you check that bag, the white bag? Bring it, bring it. Okay, bananas.
Andrew didn't know how to quality. Andrew didn't know how to quality. Sorry, guys.
AJ. Okay, this is the oil, like not exactly this grain, but you guys already know. Olive oil. And that's it. I don't know what y'all did.
Maybe that's how it's done.
Where's the order spaghetti?
I
And that's my hot sauce. It's a Mexican hot sauce. It's really spicy.
don't know.
But I like it.
To you.
I like this hot sauce.
Frank!
Give it to me. Mustard.
I don't like mustard.
You don't like mustard? Yeah, since it's not open yet, I'm just gonna leave it up here. When it's open, we can put it in the fridge.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
And your Haitian gal has some sardines.
I don't eat sardines.
What are you talking about? What? I don't know what is this boy talking about.
My elbow, my shoulder, my shoulder.
Can you put that in the garbage? Oh, this juice didn't finish. We can put it down here.
Oh my God, my shoulder. I hurt my shoulder. Ow, my. Wait, no, that's in the garbage.
That's it.
My shoulder.
Alright guys, we are all stocked up. Bread, juice, water, juices, which Flay dropped this while we was trying to put all the stuff in the fridge. I haven't cooked yet, so that's why this is empty. Eggs, vegetables is on one side, sausage, turkey sausage, that's what I use, and turkey hot dogs. I made some spaghetti yesterday and grips. And for our freezer, all the bags are in one side, and the empty, I only have one left on the pancake, so I just take it out of the bag instead of just holding the worms for nothing. I just take it out of the bags. And pizzas, Oreos, ice cream, and popsicles. Yes, guys, for the freezer and fridge, we are done until I cook. The space going to be empty. Now in the pantry, it's not that much in the pantry. Look at this boy. He was about to get something and then I popped up on him. So yeah, for the pantry, the soups are in one side and the spaghetti together with the soups, and all my spice are in up here. I don't know why is this on this side. It should be right here with the coffee. Yep. The oranges and bananas together, peanut butter and jelly, that and
Peanut butter jelly.
and cereal, Cheerios. That's the rest of the juice, so I don't have no more room for it in the fridge. I just leave the box out. Move your big head, please. My beans and rice together next to each other, and I said it already. My rice, that's where I put it in this thing right there, instead of keeping it in the bags or in the little thing. Bags.
Love you guys.
Yep. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Give me a thumbs up.
We will see you guys
Hit
later
that subscribe button.
on
Hit that-
the next
Hit
one.
that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Hit that. Punch that like button and give it a big
Yes, guys,
thumbs
we
up.
will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and
Yeah.
turn on your post notification bell button.
Yep.
Bye.
Like I